I have a question for you. Do you have a collection of cars? Toy cars. Do you want to add more cars to that collection? Instead of physical models, how about design in 3D? And then you have a collection of cars in 3D format. Hi everyone, this is Majid, Digital Creation Specialist at One Public Libraries. And today I want to show how you can use Tinkercad to design a simple but colorful car. Then you can go further and further and make a collection of different types and models with any color you want. Let's start it. So again, I'm on my Tinkercad account and already opened a new project. So you see the workplane, and I changed the name of the project to my simple car. As a reminder, always good to change the name of the project first, because as you remember, Tinkercad makes a random name for any project when you open it. So today we are going to make a car very simple, just to practice some features on Tinkercad. So let's start with a box. So I'm changing the size. Now I wanted to bring a roof, but before bringing the roof, we wanted to change the workplane area. When you wanted to attach another object to one side of the object on the workplane, sometimes it's easier if you change the workplane and then use the feature I'm going to show you, and then return to the classic workplane. For changing the workplane, I'm just clicking workplane from here, and you see I can put it anywhere I want. So I will put it on the roof, and as you see now, the location of the workplane is different. So bringing the roof, and because the workplane is changed, now the roof is going exactly on the top of the cube. So just changing the size. Again, this one is 35 to have the similar size, and this one can be 60, something like that. And I'm going to align them. So before aligning, probably it's better to change the workplane again, because we don't need this workplane anymore. So I'm bringing the workplane in the previous location. So for alignment, you remember that we have to select both shapes. So one is already selected, the green one. So shift key down, click the second one, and now we selected both shapes, and it shows that two shapes are selected. So I'm clicking on the align tool, and then put, let's see, everything from this side. Yeah, okay. So now I'm going to bring it in the back. Actually, let's do this in this way, and then just select the roof and make it very, very big, something like that. And then bring a hollow blocks here, just make it very, very big, and bring it up, something like this. Okay, and then select it with the roof. Now I have one hollow cube and the roof. I just group them, and it's gone. Okay, now this is the time to make tires. Need the cylinder, just rotate the cylinder, in 90 degrees and make it let's see, because this side is 35, it should be more than that, so I put 42. Yes. So I wanted to now align all of 3 in the middle to make sure that, let's see, let's move this a little bit back. Yes. Make sure that is exactly in the middle. So I'm grabbing all 3. And again, alignment tool, put it all in the middle. Okay. Now I will select this one, the cylinder, and copy. Control C, Control V, and bring it here. Yeah, it seems that just to make sure that all of them are in the middle again. Just clicking all, put an align tool and put in the middle. Okay, now the only thing left is just putting this a little bit up. So selecting both of them and using this cone to put them up, something like this. Okay, so let's see what else left. So I can bring this here, make it smaller, and use the comb and align them again. Make sure this is exactly in the middle, and then group them. Probably it's a little bit too big, so I'm putting this as 8 and 8. Yeah, and then copy, select them and align them, group them, and then rotate them 90, and then exactly here. Can add some text on that if I want. So the other things is totally up to you if you wanted to do something. For example, this is my definitely you can add more things if you want. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you try to make more cars. It's very simple, but you can use other features to make a more attractive car. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. We love to see your creativity. Please remember to share your project with us by using #VPL@home. See you soon.